we have A, B, C, D, E, F so the whole thing is a hexagon, and we have this parallel line drawn in here, and that's crucial here. You've got parallel lines drawn in here. If this angle here is 107, X is also 107, and the reason for that is those are called, well, they are F-shaped angles, but you don't actually call them F angles. We have to call them corresponding angles. Okay, make sure you know the correct terms. You don't get away with calling them F angles. So those are corresponding angles. Question now says, work out the value of y. Okay, to work out the value of y, I'm actually going to use this hexagon, the one that goes E, D, C, H, G, F, because I can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles out of 6. Okay, or I could use the fact that this one here is 123. Doesn't really matter. What I do need to know, though, is the sum of the interior angles for a hexagon. Now, if you remember, to work out the interior angles, in a triangle, the interior angles add up to 180. In a quadrilateral, because you can split it into 2 triangles, the angles add up to 2 times 180. And remember, if you've got 4 sides, the number of sides, you take away 2 and then multiply by 180 to get the sum of the interior angles. So if we have got a shape that has got 6 sides, in other words, a hexagon, if we do 6, take away 2 from it, and multiply by 180, that will give us the sum of the interior angles. Now that's 4 times 180, and 4 times 180 is 720 degrees. Now that tells us that all 6 angles inside, and it doesn't matter whether we use this hexagon or the smaller hexagon, the sum of the interior angles will be 720. So if I add the other 5 angles that we know, so 142 and 134 and 107 and 123 and 92, if I add all of those together, okay, that comes out as 598 degrees. So this one here must be 720, which is the total, take away 598 degrees. Now that comes out as 122 degrees. So y is equal to 122 degrees.